erasers. The look on their faces when they thought they'd break. We were ready for the earthquake. For the